Do y'all hear that? I've never heard of a hot cup of beverage making this sound. Listen. First, I thought it was an electrical appliance that I had laying around. Now, let me tell you a little something about the water. This is Shungite crystal water, and there are other crystals in this water. This is water from the faucet that the Shungite cleans of the fluoride and other chemicals, and it alkalines the water. And then I let it sit amongst other crystals as well. If you've ever heard this from a beverage, a hot beverage, let me know. I'm going to post this to YouTube. Oh, this is hot chocolate, but this is pure unprocessed cocoa from Ghana. I drink it raw. It's good for any kind of like diabetes. I know I don't have that, but this has a high content of magnesium. So when you don't have magnesium, it like your levels are low, diabetes sets in. Yeah. My thing is preventive measures. But do y'all hear that? And this is like a cup I had got a couple, maybe like a week ago, because my other cup had broke. Y'all see the rainbows? That's from the crystals. No, there's not crystals in here, but from me using the water and getting the minerals from the crystals. Yeah. Crystals elixirs are phenomenal. But just listen to this here. Because I was sitting, I was like, where's that sound coming from? Is something on? It's coming from this cup. That's deep, y'all. You hear that? If you ever experience something like this, definitely let me know. It's all cosmic.